Plus, here a car speed off after hitting and killing a cyclist. Tonight, the important clue as police search for the suspect. Detectives have pieced together car parts, and now they know what kind of car ran over a cyclist in Covington yesterday. And new at 11, Cairo 7's Gary HORCHER tells us about another clue that seems to prove the driver stopped and paused for quite a while before taking off. Gary?
Well, Monique, it leaves very little doubt, this evidence does, that the driver knew exactly what they had done here on Southeast Wax Road in Covington. So here's the scenario. I'm right where the bicyclist was. He was hit from behind, blindsided, but after the bicyclist was tumbled into the ditch, the bike with all the debris was stuck under the car. Now, I mapped it out. The driver took off that way and went a whole mile and a half before that bike loosed up and was left behind. On Wednesday night, as King County detectives were connecting clues of a scattered scene where a 50-year-old cyclist was killed by a driver who sped away, neighbor Alicia Sharp checked her surveillance camera.
And I got to thinking, I wonder if the camera caught anything.
Now, the camera doesn't show it, but at 5:30 p.m. you can clearly hear the loud impact and the skidding.
And I thought, oh my goodness.
And then for 19 seconds, while other cars roll by, there is stillness and silence. The driver apparently stopped with the bicycle still lodged under the car.
And then the car takes off and you can hear the metal scraping. And it just makes me sick that anybody would not stop.
Today, the medical examiner said the cyclist was 50-year-old Michael Russell, and he was carrying a lot of groceries. They were strewn all across the roadway. Detectives say Russell was hit from behind, and after Good Samaritans performed CPR, he died before medics could even load him onto an airlift.
It's that time of night. This road is pretty busy.
Detectives believe the car is an early 2000-era Chevy Cavalier like this one. Alicia's hoping the driver will come forward.
We teach our children that, you know, it's best to just own up to the mistake is way easier than trying to hide it. I don't know how anybody lives with that.
Meanwhile, back live here at the roadside memorial, detectives believe that Chevy Cavalier they're looking for has a lot of damage to the front end. The impact, by the way, was so loud and powerful, Alicia's surveillance is about 300 feet away from where I'm standing here from the impact, facing the other way, and still picked it up loud and clear. And we're live from the crash scene where the hit and run was on Southeast Wax Road in Covington. Tonight, I'm Gary HORCHER, Cairo 7 News.